Ever wondered if there's a productivity tool out there that can streamline your workflow without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ClickUp and answering the burning question. Is ClickUp free or paid? ClickUp has been making waves in the project management and task management space, offering a plethora of features to help individuals and teams stay organized and efficient. But with so many options available, it's natural to wonder if there's a free version or if you'll need to invest in a paid plan. ClickUp's free plan. A closer look. Core features. Let's start by exploring what you can get for free with ClickUp. The free plan offers a solid foundation, including task management, project management, and basic automation features. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track progress. Limitations. While the free plan is a great starting point, it does have its limitations. For instance, you might encounter restrictions on the number of tasks you can create, the number of team members you can invite, and the level of customization available. Use cases. Who is the free plan ideal for? It's a great option for individuals or small teams who need a basic project management tool without spending a dime. Students, freelancers, and small business owners can benefit from the free plan's core features. ClickUp's paid plans. Unlocking premium features. Business plan. If you're looking for more advanced features and a higher level of customization, ClickUp offers several paid plans. The business plan is a popular choice for growing teams and businesses. It includes features like advanced automation, custom fields, time tracking, and integrations with popular tools like Google Calendar and Slack. Enterprise plan. For large organizations with complex workflows and stringent security requirements, the enterprise plan is the way to go. It offers features like enterprise-grade security, single sign-on, SSO, and dedicated customer support. Customizable plans. ClickUp also offers custom plans tailored to the specific needs of your team or organization. This allows you to choose the features you need and pay only for what you use. Key factors to consider. Team size. The size of your team will play a significant role in determining which plan is right for you. If you have a large team, you'll likely need a paid plan to accommodate all your users and features. Workflow complexity. The complexity of your workflows will also influence your choice. If you need advanced automation, custom fields, and integrations, a paid plan is essential. Budget. Of course, budget is another important factor to consider. The free plan is a great option if you're on a tight budget, but if you need more features, you'll need to invest in a paid plan. Making the right choice. Trial period. Before committing to a paid plan, take advantage of ClickUp's free trial to test out the features and see if it's a good fit for your team. This will help you make an informed decision. Cost-benefit analysis. Consider the potential benefits of a paid plan versus the cost. If the advanced features and customization options can significantly improve your team's productivity and efficiency, the investment may be worthwhile. So, to answer the question, is ClickUp free or paid? The answer is both. There's a free plan that offers basic features, and several paid plans with more advanced features for growing teams and organizations. If you're ready to take your productivity to the next level, I encourage you to explore ClickUp's website and sign up for a free trial. See for yourself why so many people are raving about this powerful project management tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.